Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to fill the exam form for NPTEL exam. Right. So once you log in to the SWAYAM platform, so here it is showing my email ID. Right. So here currently I have applied this fundamental of artificial intelligence course. So I will click on go to the course. Once you click, then here on the left hand side you will get course outline, and here there is the link that register for the certificate exam. So here is the registration for certificate exam. So I will click on this. When you click on this dashboard you will get. So here my email ID and other thing you will get. So here I have to click go to personal info. I will click on that, and here whatever the data that we have to fill, it is a star, it indicates it is a mandatory. So I will fill all the data required. Okay, so name, date of birth, then the address. So here it should not exceed the 40 characters, right? So I will write the same. City I have to fill here. Then pin, state, and here you have to click I hereby confirm. Then you have to give the mobile number and here the alternate mobile number. So then you have to specify your gender. Then here we have to upload the photo, signature and the ID proof. And the photo size, it should be ranging between 50 KB to 150 KB. Similarly, signature also it is 50 KB to 150, and the ID proof again it is 50 KB to 2 MB. So here I will click on the upload. Right, here they have given the instruction. You have to read all this, then click on I understand. Right. So here the photo size, now here you can see it is 149 KB. So it is less than 150. So it is okay. So I will click on this and then open. Now here it is uploading. Then signature, upload the file. Click on the signature. It is 59 KB. Yes, it is. You need 50 to 150. It is 59. Okay. Then ID proof. Here I will click. It is 143. Yes, it is in between 50 KB to 1. Then based on whether you are belonging to SC/ST category, so as I am not belonging, so I will click on the no. Are you a person of the disabilities? So depending on that you can select. Here I will select it as a no. So what is your role? Student, may select on the student, faculty, employed and other. I will click on the faculty as I am working as a faculty. How did you know about this course? These are the few reasons that you can select. So as we came to know from the college or you college, you can click on the college. Are you okay if we share details to the potential employers? Yes. If you want to share with the other employers, you can click on yes, or otherwise you can click on the no. So what is your motivation to do the course? Depending upon your the reason you can select here, right? So here I select it as for the research purpose, then save and continue. So once you save and continue, you will get this the next details that your college country India, so your college state that you have to select. As I am belonging Maharashtra, I will click on that. Then your college city that you have to select. So here the Solapur that I will select. Then your college name, here the list it is there. So here the NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology Solapur that we have to check. Okay, so here you can see that Nagesh Karaji Orchid College of Engineering and Technology Solapur, that we will click on that. Then the area, which field you are belonging, engineering, medical, arts and commerce, as we are belonging to engineering, so I will click on that. Then department, so depending upon your corresponding department you can write. So as I am belonging to the mechanical, so I will click here. So can you share your score with the college? Yes or no? So here I will click on yes, and I agree to understand my registration details. All ticket, exam score, and certificate will be shared with my college. Okay, and save and continue. So here then next it comes, then we have to click on the add courses. So I will click here, select the course artificial intelligence, and here is the exam date, that is on 23rd of the October 2021. So mark for faculty development program. Okay, so add courses. Now this is added in our courses. So here it shows that 1100, right? So fee for this course. So now here I have to select the exam cities. When we go for the selection of the city, here it comes for exam. So here I have to click on the edit, then here you will get, so select state, then Maharashtra, then select city. So the first, as I am belong to the Solapur, I will select the first. Then second preference that you have to select again from the Maharashtra, which is the nearer to you, either Latur or even maybe right Kolhapur, other things. So nearer to us is the Latur. Then the third, if the choice 1 and 2 are not available, in that case they will allot the third city. So for that again we have to select from the Maharashtra, and the remaining, that the Aurangabad, Mumbai, Nagpur, or the Pune, third one will select. So Solapur first, second Latur, third Pune. So here you have to click save and confirm. Then confirm and pay. So once you click confirm and pay, whatever the information you have filled up till now, that person, the information, course and the city, everything it will be displayed here, and then it is total 1100. So the terms and conditions they have given here, then you have to click on I agree to all the above, then continue to the payment. Once you continue the payment, there are the different options. Either you can go for the credit card, debit card, then the debit card plus ATM pin, internet banking, QR code, and the UPI. So depending on that, you can select and you can make the payment. So here I will click on the UPI, then make the payment. So once you click on that, then you will get this window. On that you have to click proceed and the payment. So here you have to select this for the payment, and you have to make the payment. So here I will write the UPI, and then click on the make payment. Right, so here it shows that you have to do the payment within the 5 minutes. Now the count, it is counting, and then you will get on message on the UPI. So as here I had given on the PhonePe, so on the PhonePe you will get the message, right, and then there you click and make the payment. So after making the payment, you will get status like this, hello, that the name and the payment date and other thing. So if you want, you can print this receipt, save as a PDF, you can save, and you can continue with the registration. Okay, so here as I declined, that's why it is showing the payment failed. In case of if you complete the registration, you will get the completed. Okay, then your registration part will be completed. So this is what the overall procedure for the registering to the NPTEL exam. Okay, I hope you have understood this process and you will carry out this. Okay, thank you.